Honorable members, we want our nurses to emulate the ethos of selflessness and dedication to the nursing profession. The ethos that was displayed by the likes of Mamu Albertina Sisulu as well as Mama Victoria Mxeng. However, we will pay tribute to our healthcare professionals for the dedication they've continuously shown. We nevertheless want to make it clear that poor staff attitude among some of them, and it's a very small number, and any form of abuse towards patients will not be tolerated. Such behavior is unacceptable and has no place in this department. The integrity of our healthcare system relies on the core values of respect, empathy, and professionalism. As such, we should be committed to maintaining the highest standards of care without leaving any room to undermine this ethos. I want to make it clear that those who are planning to mistreat patients in any way, shape, or form should consider leaving their position so that those positions can be replaced with people who actually want to do the work. And again, I emphasize, Chair, it's a very small number of people who are doing that. The majority of our health workers are taking very good care of our patients. Equally, we will not accept any form of abuse directed towards our healthcare professionals. These professionals deserve the same level of respect and safety that others expect from them. Therefore, any act of violence or mistreatment from patients or their relatives will not be tolerated. We have seen a rise in such ill treatment of our healthcare workers in the past few months, Chairperson, and we want to say it will not be tolerated. It must come to an end.